In the mood for chicken tikka but no tandoor? No problem. Philips OneChef hai na? Today we'll use a special non-stick cooking pot for this. We'll preheat this for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. For the first marination, combine chicken, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and salt in a bowl and mix well until the chicken is evenly coated. Set aside to rest. अब बारी है second marination की. Combine mustard oil, turmeric powder, degi red chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, hung curd, ginger garlic paste, and salt, crushed kasuri methi, roasted besan, lemon juice, and mix well. Add the marinated chicken to this marination and coat thoroughly. Now let this rest for a bit. For making the tikka, press the power button, choose air fry mode followed by chicken preset and press start. Place the skewers on the tray. Keep basting with ghee intermittently during the cooking and insert into the appliance. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Transfer the prepared tikka to the serving platter. Serve hot with green chutney and onion tomato salad. Smoky outside, juicy inside. Made with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.